Our product is Time-Wise Parental Control. It's basically a mobile app that provides parents with a tool to be able to control the amount of time their kids spend on Android devices. We have a highly advanced international standard mobile app. From its conception, its design, through to its functionality is of extremely high quality. And right now, nowadays, there's a lot of issues with kids on their mobile devices and the amount of time that they spend on it. That is becoming big problems in families. And it's incredibly important to have a product like that to be able to monitor and maintain these times for the kids' future. And the future of Johannesburg is our kids. Our training has been interesting, it's been fantastic. It is definitely a different approach to problem solving than what I'm used to. So I found it very fascinating, I think is the best word for it. Just to have different angles on trying to find a solution and create a solution and morph that solution into a product. I often find that as entrepreneurs, the truth is that we all run the show. We all run the show, and it's times like this when you really have to reach into your humility and listen to people. Having brought an app to the market is something that's taught me patience, and it's also something that's taught me to listen. And again, I'm finding it a very good exercise in listening to people and not just hearing what they're saying, absorbing what they're saying, and seeing how it can apply to the solution. When you start on a product of this nature, of any kind of tech product, you sort of have the product in mind, and you go forth and create, and you spend your budget on your designers, your developers, and there's myriads of other tiny costs, and by the time you've achieved your product, it's fantastic, it's of a high standard, and it's what everyone needs, and everyone kind of forgets about the budget that you need to get it out there, your marketing budget. What I've also found in Time-Wise Parental Control is that we've had a lot of media exposure, a lot of newspaper, radio stations exposure, and as an entrepreneur, I'm kind of reaching a point in Time-Wise Parental Control where I need the inputs of others. So for me, I'm really looking forward to the mentorship of all things. You know, a budget is budget, and of course we're going to win it, I do have to reiterate, and get the budget, but really budget is something you can get anywhere. Wisdom and experience and mentorship is not something you can get anywhere, so I find it really is a double bonus for me. And I really would like to make a very, very big thank you to the JCSC, Wits University, Hack Josie, and most of all the City of Joburg for making this happen.